of the more frustrating decisions that my clients need to make is whether or not to purchase a long-term care policy of some sort. I'm Jessica Lanning. I'm an independent certified financial planner, and I thought I would just go over some of the basics here. So in the world of long-term care insurance policies, there's what I call traditional policies, and then there's what I call hybrid policies. So in the traditional policies, these are ones that work like auto insurance. You're familiar with auto insurance. So you pay premiums on that insurance, and then if you make a claim, you make a claim, and if you don't, all those premiums go away. Okay, that is what traditional long-term care policies provide. You make premium payments, and if you make a claim, great, and if you don't, all those premiums go away. These traditional policies are the ones that you most often hear about in the news, about how carriers are pulling out of the marketplace or pulling out of particular states, where premiums are going up so much that oftentimes policyholders need to cancel their policies because they can no longer afford them. Those are the policies you hear the most about in the news. There's also been called a hybrid policy, and these policies are built on a life insurance chassis. And by that I mean it's really a life insurance product, but it provides an accelerated benefit rider, or an ABR, that allows policyholders to take money off of those policies while they're still alive in order to pay for long-term care expenses. And then even aside from those two, there are annuity policies that don't require any underwriting, but do take a chunk of money and then leverage it to provide more in benefits later on. So there's lots of different products to look at. And I get that it's frustrating, but what I tell my clients is that you really want to ask a lot of questions. Create some scenarios in your mind about how you might use this policy, and talk to your agent about that, and talk to your tax professional, talk to your financial planning professional. We all have enough to add to this conversation that you can gather enough information to make a really good decision about what policy or what annuity you might like. If you have any questions about this, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. I'm Jessica Lanning. Lanning Does Planning.